Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to delete transaction history in the TD Bank app. The first step is to open your phone and then the app of your bank, and then log in to your online banking account. Click on the History tab and scroll down to find the transaction you want to delete. After finding the transaction you want to delete, click on it. After that, click on the drop-down menu next to the transaction date. Now select Delete this transaction. Then, click on Delete this transaction to delete the selected transaction. Next, the app will ask you to choose whether or not to save your changes. Here, click on Confirm to delete your transaction. After deleting the transaction, you can reconfirm it by checking it again in the history and verifying that it is gone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.